This video is about sine and cosine rules.
The angle of elevation of the top of a mountain are measured from two beacons A and B at C.
The measurements are shown on the diagram. If the beacons are 1,473 meters apart, how high the mountain? Distance between A and B is 1,473 meters. We are looking for the distance between T and N. Let's label this is X. This is a right angle, which means we have a right triangle. We can use secant toa. Let's work out angles first. The angle TBA equals 180 minus 41.2 because angle ABN is a straight angle. Since the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180, we can use 180 degree minus 29.7 degree minus 138.8 degree equals 11.5 degree. We can also use the exterior angle theorem to work out angle ATB. Exterior angle theorem means exterior angle of a triangle, let's label as angle 1, equals sum of the two opposite interior angles of this triangle, which means angle 1 equals angle 2 plus angle 3. Therefore, angle ATB equals 41.2 degree minus 29.7 degree equals 11.5 degree. TB is the common side of these two triangles. We will work out TB first. Let's label TB as Y. For the triangle ABT, all angles are known now, but all the angles are not included angle. So we will use sine law to figure out this y. Y over sine. Corresponding angle is 29.7 degree equals 1,473 over sine 11.5 degree. Cross multiply. Y equals, denominator is sine 11.5 degree. Numerator is 1,473 times sine 29.7 degree. Make sure this is a degree. Control divide 1,473 sine 29.7 over sine 11.5. Enter. You can also use the equation solver. Just directly put the equation into this calculator. Go to Control menu. Math action. Solve numerically. If there is one solution, you don't have to put anything here. If you really want to use this dialog, you can use this guess. We know y is positive number. You can put in any number you want. Let me put the 10. Enter. They give you the answer. Remember, this y is the value in the process. It's not the final answer. You are supposed to use the full answer. Do not change this into 3 sig figs. So I will write down 3660.62 ... Then we can solve this x. We already figured out this y. Let's label here. In the right triangle TBN, we can use SOHCAHTOA. We are given angle 41.2. X is the opposite side. TB is the hypotenuse. OH, we will go to sine. Sine 41.2 degree equals x over 3660.62. Then cross multiply. X equals.
Answer is 2411.21 ...
Or you can use sine law again to figure out this x. X over sine 41.2 degree equals y is 3660.62 over sine 90 degree. Then cross multiply. You will get the same answer. Example 2. Find the measure of angle RPV. RPV is this. Since we are given the value of length, width, and height of this rectangular, we can figure out PV, VR, and PR by Pythagorean theorem. PV equals square root. Let's label 3 square plus 6 square. We will use this accurate answer. So square root 9 plus 36 is 45. You don't have to simplify because we will put this value into calculator later on. For RV equals square root 5 square plus 3 square. That is a square root. 25 plus 9 is 34. For PR equals square root 6. This is a 5. So 6 square plus 5 square. 36 plus 25. That equals the square root of 61. Let's label square root of 61, square root 45, square root 34. Since we are looking for angle RPV, we will use the cosine rule because RPV is the included angle. Cosine angle RPV equals two sides that form this angle. We will count as A and B, which means square root of 61 square plus square root of 45 square minus square root of 34 square all over 2 times square root of 61 times square root of 45. Then RPV equals inverse cosine of this. We do know square root of a squared equals a. Basically, to the top, I can do 61 plus 45 minus 34 all over 2 times the square root of 61 times square root of 45. Then enter. Control enter, go to decimals. Then inverse cosine. Hold this down. Enter. Answer is 46.6. Or you can use equation solver. Control menu. Solve numerically. You get the same answer. But you have to write down by solver. Angle RPV equals 46.6 degree.